Good afternoon, Mr. Tom. Today I'm going to talk about the effects of global warming. What is global warming? It is a gradual increase of the overall temperature in the Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect caused by the increased levels of carbon dioxide, CFC and other pollutants normally created by humans. What is the objective of this presentation? It is to better equip people with the knowledge of the negative effects of global warming. The summary of contents are the negative effects and the things we can do to reduce global warming. Increasing temperature. Just by knowing from the name global warming, it is easy to decipher that the global warming causes the global temperature of the Earth to increase. This can cause many other negative impacts which I will discuss in the next few slides. Rising sea levels and loss of land. As global warming causes the global temperature to increase, it causes the ice cap in both the North and South Pole to melt, increasing the total volume of water, thereby leading the rising sea levels. As the sea levels continue to rise, it will result in the loss of land which are close to the sea, due to the constant or permanent flooding. Furthermore, it can also cause damage to infrastructure closer to the sea, thereby causing a huge financial loss to the government as lots of money need to repair this infrastructure. Another implication of melting ice cap is the release of greenhouse gases such as methane, which can accelerate the rate of global warming as the heat within Earth's atmosphere are trapped longer for a period of time. Extinction of animals. As mentioned in the previous slides, with the increasing temperature, rising sea levels and loss of land can and will lead to the extinction of certain species of animal. Why so? Some animals can't cope or adapt to the change in temperature fast enough, hence leading them to die out. One such example is the polar bear. Rising sea levels leading to the loss of land can cause destruction of certain animals' natural habitat, hence causing them to lose their lives. This is because this can lead them to be unsafe from their predators or be able to safely procure food. One example of this are monkeys which live near the mangrove forest. As the sea continues to rise and the total volume of water continues to increase, alligators, which are the natural predators of monkey, are able to extend their hunting grounds, thereby endangering the monkeys. Loss of clean water and agriculture. As mentioned in the previous slides, with the rising sea levels, loss of land, and increasing temperature, global warming can lead to the loss of drinking water as clean drinking water sources such as reservoirs can be contaminated with seawater, hence making them undrinkable. And furthermore, with the rising sea levels causing lands to be flooded with salt water, these lands will no longer be suitable for growing crops, thereby negatively impacting agriculture. In addition, some crops cannot grow well in high temperature, and as such, with increasing temperature, some lands will no longer be able to grow crops that they used to be able to do due to the incompatible temperature and climate. All of this can lead to human life. All of this can negatively affect human life or our basic needs, as our basic needs are being destroyed. Things we can do to reduce global warming. As a general rule, we should follow the 3 R's, which are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Try to avoid using plastic bags when you're out shopping and instead bring your own shopping bag. Stop with the use of products containing ozone-depleting substances, as it allows UV rays to penetrate the Earth in a higher volume, thereby accelerating the rate of global warming. If possible, take public transport or use a bicycle when you travel. And also, the last point I'm going to make is going vegetarian can reduce a lot of greenhouse gases that we are producing. Therefore, we can reduce the effect of global warming. For example, producing beef creates 11 times more greenhouse gases as compared to the rice of the same weight. And I have come to the end of my presentation. Thank you.